How to book appointment for German student visa. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your browser and then search for VFS Global. After that, just open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this is where it will take you. Now just scroll down and over here just select the country from where you are applying, and since I'm applying from India, I will just type India over here, and you can type your country or from where you are applying. Now select Germany over here. After that, click on this option of take me to the website. Wait for it to load. Now since we want to book the appointment, we will just scroll down and click on this option of book now for the appointments, and over here just click on book now again. Wait for it to load. Now it will ask you to sign in using your email address and password, since we don't have any of such details for us right now. So we will just simply click on this option of I don't have an account, because we want to create an account for it. Now just simply provide your details, and after that you will be able to create an account. Then log in and you would be able to book an appointment. And this is how you book an appointment for German student visa. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.